Hi, this is Toby with HMC Electronics. We're going to be taking a look at a question we often get from clients that email or give us a call. WD1001, WD1002, both great Weller soldering stations. Which one should I buy? So what we're going to do today is we're going to do a Weller WD1001, WD1002 face-off. So the Weller WD1001, WD1002, as they are right now, look identical. They both use the same power supply. They both use the WD1. What makes the station different is the pencil outputs. WD1001, for example, has the WMP pencil. WMP pencil puts out 65 watts of power. The WD1002 has an 80 watt pencil. The WP80. So you say, oh, 80 watts, perfect. More power, that's the iron for me. Well, hold your horses. There's a few more differences than that. So why wouldn't I go with the WP80? Why do I even consider this WMP with its 65 watts of power? Well, actually, 65 watts of power is a heck of a lot of punch. It's a very, very efficient iron, very efficient motor in this iron, if you would. It's cold, so I can do this. It's got this nice twist-off tip. That's your heating element right there, going right into the back of the tip. It's got a super, super short tip to grip distance. So when you are soldering, you feel like you're in control. You are in control because of that very, very short tip to grip distance. As you can see, this is the standard tip that is supplied with the WMP. By the way, Weller, thank you very much. You supply a tip with your station. Amazing. An actual functioning station out of the box. Love it. Thank you for that. Okay, so why not now the WMP? It's very thin, it's very fine, short tip to grip. Okay, well let's now look again. So you got your WP80 here. We'll compare that to your WMP. So as you can see, your WMP has this tip to grip distance, very short, very skinny here in the shaft. So right now, I would say for precision applications, somewhere where you've got to get into a tight spot, you're looking at your WMP. Your WP80 with more power, and yes, again, a soldering tip included. Tip change is done by these. That's your heating element right there. As you can see, again, your heating element is larger. So you've got more power, larger heating element, slightly different way of changing out the tip, a little bit more cumbersome, unscrew, drop out, kind of do that thing. Your tip price on this is half of what you've got on your WMP. So you're looking about $10 for one, I think about $4 or $5 for this one. The geometry sizes you're seeing are different. You're going to get a larger tip size, not a larger tip selection, but your average tip selection is larger with your WP80 than your WMP. So the WD1002, by its design, I would say would be for an application where you are trying to solder something that is larger, something that is unobstructed, where you might want a 3 or 4 millimeter chisel tip. If I had to look at a WD1001, I would say it's for something where you're soldering fine or ultra-fine applications, where you need a very, very fine tip to kind of sneak in between two components, get to a very, very small lead. Both are perfect for a lead-free application. 65 watts, 80 watts, they'll both work perfectly with lead-free. They're both priced almost exactly the same. The only cost difference really that you're going to see as far as your operating costs are, again, those tip cost differences between the WMP with its threaded screw-on tip being more expensive than the typical slug-style tip that the WD1002 has.